Meh, I'll do it later. Nin explains, overcome the I'll do it later mentality. We've all got stuff that we just don't want to do. Whether it's never growing pile of laundry, taxes, ironing, and even sometimes our actual day jobs, really important stuff. Sometimes not doing this stuff can get us into trouble. So why have we got the I'll do it later mentality? Well, it's a form of procrastination, and it usually boils down to three things. A, not feeling that it's worth any value to us. B, it's either very overwhelming or very underwhelming. Or C, we just dread the task, we just don't want to do it. Now, don't feel guilty about this because it attacks pretty much every human being, but there is something you can do about it. This very simple method was brought about by Brian Tracy, my personal hero and the best-selling author of his time. And it's simply this. Do it now. Say it over and over again. Do it now, do it now, do it now. Get some movement, get some energy, get some enthusiasm behind it. Do it now. This guy had whole companies chant it every day, 20 times over before they started work. And it enforces a habit of completing tasks as fast as humanly possible. Do it now. It's so simple. Like a running back grabbing a ball and running for the goal line. I need you to take that task and get it done as fast as possible. Race for that goal line, get it done, and get it done now. It won't give you any time to and about it because you'll be halfway to completing it anyway. Productivity will skyrocket. And it's such a simple mantra to remember. But I've got lots of tasks. I can't do them all at the same time. Yes, I understand that. There's that thing called prioritizing. Get the most important or the most unpleasant tasks done first, and the others will seem quite easy in comparison. Even if you have to write a note with the words "do it now" and put it somewhere that you can see, just in case you forget those three words. And pretty soon you'll develop a habit of doing everything immediately. No more doing it later. Do it now. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook, visit my website, follow me on social media, and let me know how you get on in the comment section below. Do it now!